Most people say they want more money, but when it shows up, they freeze. They worry, because deep down, they don't understand money. They fear it. That fear starts early. In school, we learn algebra and history, but never how to budget, invest, or use money wisely. Those lessons stick, and beliefs become behavior. As adults, we hold on to money too tightly, spend it too fast, or avoid dealing with it altogether. Here's the truth. Money isn't good or bad. It's just a tool. It doesn't care who you are. It simply flows to people who know how to use it. When you understand how money works, fear disappears, because what we understand, we can control. The spender sees money as something to use before it's gone. The investor sees money as a seed, something to grow and protect. At Perpetual Investment Group, we believe clarity brings confidence. That's why we focus on real assets, things you can see, touch, and understand. Money isn't something to fear, it's something to master. Subscribe for more lessons that make money simple, practical, and powerful.